Hello students, so this is our lecture on ions. What are ions? So these are the charged species which may carry positive and negative charge, and these charges, if carry positive charge then it is known as cation, and if carry negative charge then it is known as anions. Examples are these: oxygen carry this negative charge, so oxygen, it is oxide ion, anion. And these all these species which carry positive charge, they act as cations. So this is just the charged species. It may be an atom or a group of atom which having charge. Next is metals and non-metals. Yes, metals are good conductor of electricity. Metals are malleable and ductile, always electropositive. What does it mean, always electropositive? This means metal always carry positive charge, and because metals are having tendency to lose an electron, and cations are formed when electrons, any element will lose electron, and anions are formed when any element will gain electron. So metals having tendency to lose, and that's why it act as cations. Non-metals, these are the bad conductor, always electronegative. Electronegative means non-metal always carry negative charge, and because non-metals are having tendency to gain an electrons, metal always lose an electron and form cations always, and non-metal always having tendency to gain an electron and form anions. So this is your octet rule. Octet rule states that each and every element has 8 electron in its valence shell. Element is stable if having 8 electron in its last shell. This is the stability criteria for an element to predict its stability. Criteria to predict the stability of an element. The rule is not valid for hydrogen and helium because both these elements are satisfied by 2 electrons. So this rule is not valid for hydrogen and helium. So next is this electronic configuration. What does it mean, electronic configuration? It is simply the electronic distribution of an element based on atomic number. How to predict metal and non-metal nature? By using this configuration. So in these are the various columns, clear? So first case, sodium 281, its last shell carry 1 electron, its last shell carries 6 electron, its last shell carries 2 electron, this last shell carries 7 electron, and atomic number of sodium is 11, so that's why it has 11 electron. Atomic number is 8, that's why it has 8 electron. 20 electrons, 17 electrons. So what are the possible case? So first, either 1 electron lose or 7 electron gain. So this is wrong. 1 electron lose. It is easy to lose 1 electron as compared to gain 7 electrons. Not possible to gain 7 electrons. So it has tendency to lose, then it will form a species that is cation and carry positive charge, and distribution after the removal of this electron, it becomes 2-8. Is it clear? And it acts as metal because it has tendency to lose. Clear?